Morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and now this time I'm doing the reading for career, health, finances, and love. And I will do the love reading separately as well for you guys in the detailed manner as I used to do. So I will start with the career thing. Let me just this here is like okay. So Sagittarius, how's your career going to be in September 2021? Let's see if you are in business. If you are in business or if you are doing some kind of business, how your business is going to be in September 2021. My god, this hair is like making me angry now. Crazy. Let's see. Sagittarius, if you are in business, how's your career going to be? Four of Swords, taking a break. Okay, so I feel like you were dealing with some kind of losses or financial losses in your business in the recent past. You are planning to restart your business, but again, I don't feel like you are going to do it in September. You are going to be in the meditative phase, you are going to be in the contemplating phase, you are going to see every pros and cons regarding your business. You will feel like, yeah, I will restart, but I have to come out of the financial losses that I made previously, and I have to take, a good decision this time. I am not able to handle this financial losses this time as well. So you will contemplate a lot, and if you're not doing it, just do that. Okay, you have to have a proper plan, you have to have a proper planning to do any kind of business or to do any kind of investment if you are in some kind of investment business. Okay, let's see what's your career going to be if you're in job. How is your career going to be if you're in job? If you're doing some kind of job, how's your energy going to be? King of Swords. Okay, beware of people around you who are manipulative. There will be lots of manipulative people around you. They will play mind games with you. You just have to cut down all those people. You have to be very clear and honest with your intentions, and be very clear and honest with your boss or the authoritative figures in your environment, because I feel like there's lots of politics going on around you, and your colleagues might find it difficult to deal with you, or you may find it difficult to deal with them. So there will be toxicity, there will be negativity, but you will come out of that phase if you are ready to deal with the situation with caution and with patience. Okay, you will be able to do that. Don't worry, Sagittarius. Okay, let's see how's your health going to be in September. I will pull two cards for your health. How's your health going to be in September, honey? Let's see. Six of Pentacles and the King of Cups. Nice. I feel like you are going to get some kind of financial security, financial good news. That's going to make you feel really happy. That's going to enhance your mental level as well, emotional level as well. Physically, I feel like you should give some kind of charity. You should give some kind of charity for your own good. I feel like physically you will be okay. There will be equal give and take of energy from you and the universe. I feel like you will go to gym and you will have a fitness regime, and you will have a balanced life emotionally, physically. But emotionally, I feel like you will be very happy emotionally because of the financial part. Otherwise, I feel like there's some kind of thing that is stuck in your mind. Some might be some emotional problems or something like that. You have to balance that. Try to balance them. Nobody can balance these things, but try to do that. Okay, if you are trying, you will get it. Cool. Financial success is coming towards you, and that's going to make you happy. I got it. But physically, I feel like you should just do some kind of charity or something that will make you more physically active and more physically good. Okay, cool. Now coming to finances, how your finances are going to be in September for Sagittarius. Let's see how your finances are going to be in September. Let's see. Knight of Swords and the Eight of Wands. You have to travel. I feel like you are going to get a good news. regarding your finances, you are going to get a very good news, but beware of any kind of fraud people around you. This is the Knight of Swords. Somebody is coming towards you in a very hurried energy. They're like, yeah, please invest in this situation, you are going to get very good results and this and that, and you are going to be rich in 6 months or few months and blah blah blah. Don't do that. Beware of this kind of energy. If somebody is coming towards you with an offer of making good money out of nothing, or they are going to get like, please give me like 2-3 lakhs, I'm going to make it in crores in few days. No, it's a fraud. Beware of fraudsters. Otherwise it's going to be good for you. If you are aware, if you are beware, if you are precautious, it's going to be a good month for you financially. There's some kind of good news coming towards you regarding your finances. There's a raise, there's a promotion, there's a raise, there's recognition, some kind of good news coming towards you. Might be from foreign, or might you are going to travel, and that's going to give you some kind of financial security, give you some kind of financial increment. Okay, there will be increase in your finances, but you have to beware of the fraudsters and beware of the the people who are pressurizing you to invest in something that you are not aware of fully. Okay, this is the thing. Cool. Let's see how's your love life is going to be. I will do the detailed reading on your love life. My cards, my cards. Okay. So in love life, if you are single, let's see what's happening. Okay. If you're single, let's see what's happening in your love life. Two of Swords. You're on the crossroads, Sagittarius. I feel like you are not able to decide whether to move on, whether to wait for the past person. What should I do? Am I in love with them? Am I not in love with them? I don't know. What should I do? You're on the crossroads regarding your love life if you're single. And if you're in a relationship with somebody, let's see. Let's see. If you're in a relationship with somebody, how your love life is going to be in September. The energy. Judgment. Past person is coming towards you. Forgiveness energy is coming towards you. Might be they are going to ask for forgiveness, or you are going to ask for forgiveness from them, but there will be a definite rebirth in this connection. And I feel like forgiveness and forgetting each other, like the mistakes is happening, and rebirth is happening in your connection. Reconnecting, reconciliation kind of energy is present. I will do the detailed reading in the next video for you guys, Sagittarius, for your love life. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste. This is Anjali. Bye.